Namaste, it's me, Sriram Sharma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you grammar section for class 12. This is called meaning into words. Okay, dear students, please watch my videos and learn English grammar. Today I am going to teach you the part of meaning into words. Meaning into words for class 12. Okay, and here we have altogether, this is the grammar section. I already told you, grammar section, and we have 6 questions altogether from this section. So 6 questions means 30 marks. So it's very important section, very important book, and student book and workbook, 2 books we have. So today I am going to teach you the most important part from grammar. They are, first I would like to teach you seem to, use of seem to. Second, use of must, can, may, might. Okay, may, might. And third, supposed to. This seem to, it comes from unit 2, must, can, may, might, it comes from unit 7, and supposed to, it comes from unit 15. Right, dear students? So without delay, I would like to start from seem to. I am going to teach you all 3 chapters of grammar because they have one type of similarity, because we need to change the verb after using these words and phrases, and verb changing of these all 3 forms are the same. So there is one sort of similarity. So I am going to teach you all 3 sections at the same time. First, seem to. Use of seem to, dear students, we have to use subject, right? Subject might be he, she, it, they, Ram, Sam, Hari, Gopal, whatever. And we have to use seems to and verb change. Okay? Verb change. Subject in subject, he, she, it. Sometimes they might be plural subject. And in case the plural subject comes, we have to use only seem, not seems to. But usually the question comes from he and she, and even you can write the name of the person as well. So it is very useful to learn. And we have 2 exercises regarding seem to. Exercise 1, so direct one. Exercise 1. So now the question of the verb change. I would like to write the verb change here because all 3 items, language grammar items that I am going to teach you today, they have the same type of verb change. What they are, you can look at that. V1, V5 should be changed into V1. V1, V5 should be changed into V1, right? Is, AMR should be changed into B form. B2 should be changed into have B3. And was where should be changed into have been. Look at that. Please see once again. B1, B5 into V1 is MR into B form into first form of the verb B. B2 have B3 was where have been. Okay. So verb change, don't forget, because today we are going to learn 3 items of grammar, and all 3 items have the same type of verb change. Now we have to be more careful about these 2 forms, V1, V5 into V1 is MR to B. Exercise 1. Look at that. He is very friendly. What is the question? Can you tell me? He is very friendly. Now we have to change this remark using seem to. How the question comes in the examination? Change the following remarks using seem. Sometimes using only seem as well, it might come. Seem मात्र प्रयोग गरेर remarks सब चेन्ज गरेर पनि भन्न सक्छ. त्यो अवस्था पनि कुरा एउटै हो. We have to use seems to. What is the subject here? See. He seems to. Look at that. Is. यहाँ is छ हेर्नुस् त. Is लाई हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? Is एमा लाई we have to change it into be form. So he seems to be very friendly. Is it okay? Now the question 2. He is a kind of some kind of businessman. He is some kind of businessman. Man. Look at that. He again same like he seems to is like he garnu paryo be garnu paryo. Don't forget. And some kind of businessman. It's very easy exercise, dear students. Businessman. He is happily married. You can understand. Happily married. Now you can write this. He seems to be happily married. Now he watches television a lot. He watches TV a lot. Look at this question. Here is no is form. He watches. Watches भनेको के हो? V5 हो. सब्जेक्ट के छ? He छ. He पछि के लिन्छ? Seems to लिन्छ. के लिन्छ अरे? Seems to. Watches V5 मा हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? V1 V5 लाई V1 गर्नुपर्छ. भनेपछि watches को V1 के हुन्छ? Watch हुन्छ. WATC as watch TV a lot. Thank you. Now, next question. 5. He has lived a very interesting life. Very interesting life. Can you answer it? What is the subject? He seems to. अब has लाई हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो? V1 के हुन्छ? Yeah. Remember that. If you change one verb, you don't have to change the next verb following it. Okay? एउटा verb change गरिसकेपछि त्यो verb-लाई follow गर्ने verb-लाई change गर्नु पर्दैन. First verb only change. Have lived a very interesting life. Okay? Sometimes the question comes in negative form as well. So, in case of negative form, he is not very rich. Look at that. In negative form, what is the negative form of seems to? Does not seem to. You can use seems to negative form के हो? Does not seem to. भनेपछि अब के गर्नु पर्यो? He does not पछि V1 बदलिन्छ seem to is like के गर्नु पर्यो? Be very rich. Okay? Now exercise 2 from the seem to. Exercise 2. This is a bit difficult one, and we have to change seem to again. But here it's an indirect method. Means you have to understand the sentence. Then according to the meaning of the sentence, you have to use seem to in a very proper way, right? The sentence seems to be a bit long. Here the important thing we should not forget. You have to make one simple sentence in your mind before you change. Okay? Simple sentence. How can we make simple sentence? Do you know? The most easy sentence in the world is the use of is MR. सबैभन्दा सजिलो सेन्टेन्स इज एमआर प्रयोग गरेर बन्छ. यो बी भर्ब प्रयोग गरेर सबैभन्दा सजिलो सेन्टेन्स बन्छ. तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ. भनेपछि अब हामीले त्यो सेन्टेन्स बुझेर एउटा सिम्पल सेन्टेन्स प्रयोग गरेर एउटा त्यसको अर्थ बुझ्नु पर्यो. जस्तै he never stops to chat with you if you have a dog with you. Like, understand? Kati lamo sentence, sir. It's a very long sentence, and here you have to use seem to. Now you need to understand. यो कहिले रोकिदैन रे उसँग कुरा गर्न कहिले रोकिदैन जबसम्म तिमीसित कुकुर छ तिमीसित कहिले रोकेर कुरा गर्दैन भनेपछि उ कुकुरसँग डराउँछ भन्ने सेन्टेन्स दिमागमा बनाउनुस् त सजिलो सेन्टेन्स बनाउनुस् इज लगाएर के हो सजिलो सेन्टेन्स मनमनमै बनाउनुस् इज अफ्रेड अफ डग बुझ्नुभयो यो ही इज अफ्रेड अफ डग भन्ने एउटा सेन्टेन्स बनाउनु मनमनै इन योर माइन्ड एन्ड चेन्ज इट इन्टु सिम टु फर्म भेरी इजी यसलाई सिम टु मा लैजानुस् त he seems to अब is like के हुन्छ be afraid of dog okay question number 2 his front garden always looks a bit neglected उसको अगाडिको गार्डन वास्ता नगरेको जस्तो देखिन्छ अरे भनेपछि ऊ कस्तो रहेछ भन्नुस् त एउटा पनि ही इज लगाएर एउटा सेन्टेन्स बनाउनुस् त ही इज लेजी राइट ही इज बिजी यु क्यान राइट लाइक दैट सो ही इज लेजी को सिम टु गर्नुस् त हीले के लिन्छ अरे सिम्स टु बी लेजी भनेको क्वेशन हेर्नुस् त क्वेशन इज very long but answer is very short right so he seems to be lazy now question number 3 you can see there are African marks on the wall of his sitting room. Do you remember this sentence? उसको सिटिङ रुम बैठक कोठामा अफ्रिकन मार्क्सहरु छ भनेपछि कि ऊ अफ्रिकाबाट आएको छ कि ऊ अफ्रिकन क्लाउन मैन हो हैन अनि यस्तो यस्तो गर्न सकिन्छ एउटा वी क्यान मेक वन सिम्पल सेन्टेन्स युजिङ ही र इज लगाएर एउटा सेन्टेन्स बनाउनुस् त मनमनै बनाउनु भयो सपोज ही इज अफ्रिकन होला ही इज अफ्रिकन बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ ही इज अफ्रिकन सिम्स टु भन्नुस् त he seems to be an African no problem an African is okay this you have to understand he usually goes out with his walking stick उसले बाहिर हेर्दाखेरि जहिले पनि लट्ठी हिँड्ने लट्ठी लिएर हिँड्छ नाउ यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इट भनेपछि ऊ कि बुढो मान्छे हुनुपर्छ कि ऊ लङ्गड हुनुपर्छ कि ऊ अन्धो हुनुपर्छ वी क्यान मेक अ भेरी सिम्पल सेन्टेन्स युजिङ ही एन्ड इज क्यान यु त्यो बाहेक अरू पनि बनाउन सकिन्छ ही र इज बनाउनै पर्छ भन्ने छैन यसलाई बुझेर एउटा इजी सेन्टेन्स यु क्यान क्रिएट ओके ही seems to be an old man okay like this you see someone climbing through a window कोही चाहिँ झ्यालबाट भित्र छिरिरहेको छ भनेपछि अब सजिलो सेन्टेन्स बनाउनुस् त ही र इज लागेको he is a thief को सिम्स टु भन्नुस् त he seems to be a thief. So seems to, we have two types of seems to. One is direct one. Seem to को दुईटा प्रकार रहेछ, एउटा डाइरेक्ट एउटा इनडाइरेक्ट. डाइरेक्ट चाहिँ सजिलो खालको, जस्तै छोटो सेन्टेन्स he is very friendly आयो भने यो छोटो सेन्टेन्स भयो, यसमा हामीले डाइरेक्ट seems to प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौं. भन्नुस् त आन्सर, he seems to be very friendly. तर इनडाइरेक्ट चाहिँ के हुन्छ, जस्तै the postman always delivers letters with foreign stamp. For example, delivers letters with foreign stamp. Postman ले एउटा लाकी मान्छेले तपाईको गएर फरेन स्ट्याम्प, सपोज युएसए लेखेको टिकट भएको चिठी आउँछ तपाईको घर भनेपछि, अब के तपाई भर्खर विदेशबाट आएको हुनुपर्छ, एउटा सिम्पल सेन्टेन्स हियर इज लागेको सम्झिनुस् त्यति, ही इज फ्रम फरेन कन्ट्री, मिल्छ कि मिल्दैन? मिल्छ. ही इज फ्रम फरेन कन्ट्रीलाई सिम्स टु मा जानुस् त कसरी हुन्छ, ही सिम्स टु बी फ्रम foreign, he seems to be from foreign country. So now you understand there are two types of exercise from seem to. Okay, after that we go to the next unit. This is the use of must, can't, may, might, deductions. It's from unit 7. Use of must, can't, may, might. It's very easy exercise. Here we have to use subject, then after we have to use subject plus either must or can't, and you have to change verb change. And here you have to know the recognizing words, चिनाउने शब्दहरू. चिनाउने शब्दहरू यो मस्ट कान्ट भनेपछि 100% स्योर हुन्छ, राइट? 100% स्योर हुने शब्दहरू के चिनाउँछ भन्दाखेरि, जस्तै फ्रेजेसहरू, जस्तै आई एम स्योर भन्ने फ्रेजले यो 100% छ कुनै काम हुँदैछ भन्ने बुझिन्छ हैन. अनि त्यसपछि डेफिनेटली, अब्भियसली, राइट? आई एम कन्भिन्स्ड. Usually question comes from I am sure. Usually question comes from I am sure. So I am sure body question also. We have to understand that I am sure आयो भने positive sentence मा must प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ र negative sentence मा can't प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ. must को must not गर्न पाइदैन. बुझ्नुभयो? So now let's go to second, subject plus either you have to use may or might. Negative may र might र may not गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ र might not गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ. त्यसपछि के गर्नुपर्छ, verb change गर्नुपर्छ. verb change गर्नुपर्छ. अब यहाँ चिनाउने शब्दहरू हेर्नुस् है, यो may might भनेको 50% स्योर, नट 100% स्योर. चिनाउने शब्दहरू जस्तै धेरै जस्तो के आउँछ, perhaps आउँछ, maybe आउँछ, probably आउँछ र it is possible पनि आउँछ गरी. यो चिनाउने शब्दहरू हुन्. अब नोट के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने रिमुभ हटाउनु पर्यो. रिमुभ द रिकग्नाइजिङ वर्ड्स, चिनाउने शब्दहरूलाई हटाउनुस्. वर्ड्स or phrases that come at the first. सुरुमा आउने चिनाउने शब्दहरूलाई हटाउने. For example, very simple to understand. I am sure he is working. Dear student, this must can't may might को प्रयोग very important for the examination point of view. So you need to understand this must can't may might in a very clear way. Must can't पछि verb change गर्नु पर्यो, may might might not पछि पनि verb change गर्नु पर्यो. Must can't लाई चिनाउने शब्दहरू I am sure र may might लाई चिनाउने शब्दहरू बढी के आउँछ प्रयास आउँछ. अनि verb change हेर्नुस् है, मैले आई सिम टु मा पनि त्यही verb change अनि मस्ट काइन्ड मा के यो पछि हामी सपोज टु च्याप्टर पढ्छौं त्यसमा पनि त्यही verb change प्रयोग हुन्छ. B1 B5 लाई B1 लाने, इजेमा लाई केमा लाने B मा, B2 लाई have B3 was will लाई have been बनाउनु पर्यो. बुझ्नुभयो? So now you understand. Remove the recognizing word. चिनाउने शब्द सुरुमा आउँछ फ्रेज I am sure हटाउने. I am sure आएपछि पोजिटिभ मा मस्ट अथवा नेगेटिभ मा कान्ट हुन्छ. यो बुझ्नुस्. अनि यो सेन्टेन्स पोजिटिभ कि नेगेटिभ? पोजिटिभ. भनेपछि सब्जेक्ट के हो? he. अब हामीले के राख्नु पर्यो? मस्ट गर्नु पर्यो. इज लाई केमा चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो? इज एमा लाई बी मा. He must be working. Now you understand. He must be working. Okay, like that. अब हामीले I am sure जस्तै अरु पनि बनाउन सक्छौं. I am sure he is not friends. I am sure he is not friends. यस्तो आयो भने I am sure लाई हटाउनुस्. सब्जेक्ट के छ? he छ. ही राख्नुस् अनि के प्रयोग गर्नुस्? कान्ट प्रयोग गर्नुस्. ही कान्ट. I am sure आएको छ, नेगेटिभ आएको छ. I am sure आएको छ, नेगेटिभ आएको भएपछि के हुन्छ? He can't be friends. He can't be friends. I am sure मा नेगेटिभ आउने बित्तिकै के गर्नु पर्यो? कान्ट राख्नु पर्यो. इज आएको भएर बी राख्नु पर्यो. हेर्नुस् त. अब 3 मा प्रयास they are going to ask me. प्रयास आएको छ हेर्नुस्. प्रयास आएपछि के हुन्छ? कि मे माइट गर्नु पर्यो कि नेगेटिभमा मे नट माइट नट गर्नु पर्यो. भनेपछि सब्जेक्ट के छ? दे छ. हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो? मे गर्नु पर्यो. दे मे. अब verb is एमा आएको छ, फेरि बी गर्नु पर्यो. they may be going to ask me. 4 मा हेर्नुस् त. प्रयास he was not delayed. प्रयास he was not delayed. अब प्रयास हटाउनुस् त. सब्जेक्ट के हो? he. अब नेगेटिभ छ हेर्नुस् है. त नेगेटिभमा मे गरे पनि पाइयो, माइट गरे पनि मे नट गरे पनि पाइयो, माइट नट गरे पनि पाइयो. भनेपछि अब सकेसम्म पास्ट आउँदाखेरि माइट नट गरेको राम्रो. हेर्नुस् है, माइट नट. मे नट गर्दा पनि के हुँदैन. माइट नट. वाजलाई के गर्नुहुन्छ अरे? verb change सम्झिनुस् त. have been delayed. May not, might not have been delayed. Now we have again more exercise. For example, the question is that I am sure she hears me. Understand? I am sure whatever you 100% sure. अब positive sentence से must राख्नु पर्यो. She must. Hears V5 भएपछि के गर्नु पर्यो? V1 के हुन्छ? Hear me. यस्तै गरेर गर्नुस् त हाम्रो प्रयास they stole the money. भनेपछि प्रयास हटेपछि के भयो? सब्जेक्ट के हो? दे. अब प्रयास आएपछि कि मे गर्नु पर्यो कि माइट गर्नु पर्यो? मे. अब V2 छ हेर्नुस् है. V2 आएपछि हाम्रो verb change के अरे? have B3. have stolen the money. Like that we have to do it. Keep practicing. प्रयास she did not hear me. Look at that. पर्याप्त आएको छ नेगेटिभ आएको छ हेर्नुस् है अब पर्याप्त हट्यो सब्जेक्ट के हो सी हो अब मे नट गरेर पाइयो माइट नट गरेर पाइयो भनेपछि के गर्नु छ माइट नट अथवा मे नट माइट नट अब डिड नट ले के बनाउँछ सेन्टेन्स v2 बनाउँछ भने बुझ्नुस् यो हियर v1 छ तर पनि डिड नट भएपछि यो v2 भन्ने बुझ्नुस् v2 भयो v2 लाई के दिन्छ अरे ह्याभ v3 भन्नुस् त यसको ह्याभ HEARD heard me भनेपछि के भयो आन्सर हेर्नुस् त सी माइट नट ह्याभ हर्ड मी डिड नट आयो भने यो v2 भन्ने बुझ्नुस् है इफ देयर इज अ डिड नट देन verb is v2 like that probably he was born in London for example लन्डन में जन्मेको होला थियो होला प्रोबेबली हट्यो सब्जेक्ट के अरे ही प्रोबेबली आएपछि के हुन्छ मे माइट हुन्छ मे माइट हेर्नुस् है पोजिटिभमा मस्ट नेगेटिभमा कान्ट यो मस्ट कान्ट चाहिँ हामीले आई एम स्योर मा चिराउनु शब्द एकदमै जान्नु पर्यो त्यो सबभन्दा पहिला हटाउनु पर्ने के हो चिराउनु शब्द मे माइटमा हामीले के चिराउँछ अरे प्रयासले चिराउँछ यो प्रयास हटाउनु पर्यो भनेपछि अब हामी के हुन्छ हेर्नुस् त ही माइट अथवा मे गर्दा पनि हुन्छ मे वाज लाई के गरिन्छ हेर्नुस् त ह्याभ बीन गरिन्छ he may have been born in London this is the must and may might for example still we have many more exercise you can practice from the question collection okay we have old is gold and from there you can practice still one two questions I can give you I am sure the snow is melted I am sure हट्यो हैन remove the first phrase I am sure आएपछि के चिनाउँछ must कान्ट पोजिटिभ सेन्टेन्स पछि must सब्जेक्ट के हो the snow पछि के हुन्छ must हुन्छ इज लाई के गर्नु पर्यो be गर्नु पर्यो must be melted now you understand it so likewise you can practice some more other I am sure he was not dancing I am sure you are not dancing okay अब हेर्नुस् त I am sure हट्यो पोजिटिभ सेन्टेन्स छ कि नेगेटिभ छ अनि आई एम स्योर मा मस्ट अथवा कान्ट हुन्छ भनेपछि के गर्नु पर्यो ही कान्ट गर्नु पर्यो ही कान्ट वाज लाई के गर्ने भर्ब चेन्ज फेरि सम्झिनुस् है भर्ब चेन्ज v1 v5 लाई v1 इज एमआर लाई v2 लाई भन्नुस् त फेरि ह्याभ v3 वाज वे लाई के रे ह्याभ बीन don't forget this verb change okay in all three items of the grammar don't forget the verb change he can't was like के गर्नु पर्यो have been dancing he can't have been dancing look at that and one question of perhaps me might 3 number perhaps they lived in Pokhara for example perhaps आएको छ हेर्नुस् है perhaps आएपछि must can't हुँदैन you cannot use must can't so you have to use may might so what is the subject they mean गर्दा पनि हुन्छ might गर्दा पनि हुन्छ पोजिटिभमा may might whatever you can use v2 लाई के गर्नु पर्छ अरे have v3 they may have lived in Pokhara. So this is must can't may might. Now the last one still we have this is supposed to. I will just take 2 more minutes time for teaching you supposed to. Okay, dear students, please be patient. This is unit 15. Use of supposed to. Okay. Supposed to मा हामी के गर्छौं? Supposed to भनेको नेपालीमा मानिन्छ कि भने supposed to मा is mr राख्छौं अगाडि. सब्जेक्ट पछि is mr plus supposed to plus verb change. Verb change त तपाईलाई थाहै छ. यसमा पनि अगाडिको रिमुभ नोटमा के गर्नु पर्यो भने रिमुभ recognizing words अगाडि आउने वर्ड्स जस्तै के आउन सक्छ अगाडि apparently आउन सक्छ. हेर्नुस् त people say, they say, I am told that, I have heard that, यस्तो शब्द आउन सक्छ. यो फ्रेजेसहरुलाई हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो? हटाउनु पर्छ. जस्तै apparently the earth is round. R-O-U-N-D round. यो अब हामी change the following remarks using supposed to भनेर आउँछ. के भनेर आउँछ? Change the following remarks using supposed to भनेर आउँछ. यस्तो बेलामा हामीले के गर्ने? Apparently हटाउने. We have to remove apparently. So what is the subject here? The earth. The earth. हेर्नुस् है, अब हामीले supposed to डाइरेक्ट राख्नु पाइदैन. अगाडि के राख्नु पर्छ? is mr. The earth is supposed to. अब verb हेर्नुस् न is छ. is लाई हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? verb change be गर्नुपर्छ. verb change same. The earth is supposed to be round. Now you can practice. Subject is mr plus supposed to and verb change. फेरि भन्नुस् त subject is mr plus supposed to then verb change. Now people say Venice is sinking into the sea. Venice is sinking into the sea, down to the sea, to the sea. हेर्नुस् त people say हट्यो हैन. सब्जेक्ट के हो? Venice. Venice ले अब supposed to हेर्नुस् त के हुन्छ? is supposed to अब verb के हो? is लाई के गर्नु पर्छ? be sinking into the sea. Like that. Question number 3. They say he was a lorry driver. He was a lorry driver. यस्तो क्वेशनमा के गर्नु पर्यो हेर्नुस् त? They say हट्यो. सब्जेक्ट के हो? he ले अब यहाँ was भयो भने हाम्रो फर्मुला के हो? supposed to अगाडि हामी is mr बाहेक राख्न पाइदैन. he ले के लिनु पर्यो? is लिन्छ. supposed to सुन्नुस् है, supposed to अगाडि is mr बाहेक पाइदैन रहन. अनि बल्ल भयो हेर्नु. पहिला सब्जेक्ट ल्याउने is mr गर्ने supposed to गर्ने नि बल्ल भयो हेर्नु. ओके. was को verb change के हुन्छ? have been a lorry driver. Like this. Still 2 more questions to practice. 4 number. I have heard that C-L-I-V-E-D lived in London. She lived in London. अब हेर्नुस् त कुन हटाउनु पर्छ? I have heard that. Okay, remove that. And subject के हो हेर्नुस् त? C पछि हामी is mr supposed to. C ले के लिन्छ? is supposed to. अब V2 लाई हामीले के गर्नु पर्छ? V2 लाई have V3 मा लानु पर्छ. केमा लानु पर्छ रे? have V3 मा लानु पर्यो. भनेपछि have lived in London. She is supposed to have lived in London. Like this, you can practice many more questions. 5 number. Sometimes subject is very short. For example, I am told that it's unlucky To walk under a ladder. Under a ladder. Look at that. I am told that audio in the subject is eat. The subject कहिले कहिले एकदमै सर्ट हुन्छ कहिले कहिले के हुन्छ अलि लामो हुन सक्छ भावको अगाडि सब्जेक्ट हटाउनु पर्ने कुराको पछाडि भावको अगाडि सब्जेक्ट के हेर्नुस् त इट इटले हामीले इज लिन्छ हैन इट इज सपोज टु अब इजलाई चेन्ज गर्नुस् त इट इज सपोज टु बी अनलकी इजको बी भयो हैन टु वाक अन्डर लेडर यो मस्ट कान्ट र सपोज टु मा अगाडिको हटाउनु पर्ने हो नि बुझ्नुस् है यो अगाडिको डोन्ट फर्गेट दिस you have to remove the front phrases. The last one, sometimes apparently sometimes subject is very long. For example, pollution in Kathmandu. Pollution in Kathmandu is increasing day by day. Increasing day by day. Just the question I look at that. Apparently should be removed. We know that. Where is the subject? Not only pollution. Pollution in Kathmandu because there is a verb. तो भाव अगाडिको सबै सब्जेक्ट हो भनेपछि के भयो हेर्नुस् त पोल्युसन इन काठमाडौँ यस इज सपोज टु अब भाव हेर्नुस् त इजलाई के गर्नु पर्यो बी गर्नु पर्यो डोन्ट फर्गेट दिस verb चेन्ज increasing day by day. Yes, dear students and fellow teachers, today I have taught you 3 items of grammar. What they are? Can you tell me? 1. Use of supposed to. 2. Use of must, can, may, might. Must, can, may, might. Right? 3. Use of seem to. These 3 items are very important for the examination point of view. So hope you have enjoyed learning English grammar, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching and keep learning English grammar from home. Thank you very much. Namaste.